Hi YouTubers, I hope you have a good day, and I'm very happy today because my clan has defeated Chinese clan, and this was a very close war. We managed to win in the end, and I'm going to show you how we did it. I'm going to dedicate all this win to my clan because they had a good effort and played very well. So we won by 95 to 90, and we were losing by a few stars, actually 8 to 9 stars, but we managed to catch up, and we'll show you how we won it. Actually, a very important war was from George, our co-leader George. Where is he? There is he, George. He 3-starred number 6. Okay, I'm going to show you the replay now. He did it perfectly with Giants and Hawk strategy. So now you can see he's trying to lure out the castle troops with the Giants. So this castle troop is going to the right side to be destroyed by a bunch of witches. See the witches now coming out, and wizards to help out. So the important factor here actually is you can see that he's trying to lure out this number 6 queen. Now you see his king is marching inside to meet the queen, and done, the king is gone. Now he releases all his main army, hawks. And you can see that he dropped the king's spell perfectly on the Hawks. Hawks still marching in, and number 6 king trying to chasing George Hawks, but he will fail because it's too slow for them, and he's killing them very well. So I can forward this. You can see that now you can see the king is getting hammered by his hawks. Gone. Now the forward this faster. You see that he is finishing up the base and getting the important 3 stars for us. This is very important because it motivates us to actually continue the war and get the other stars. Another interesting war I want to show you is from where is CKS, our co-leader CKS. He got a 3-star from number 11. He told me that he is afraid that his war breakers he did not bring enough war breakers. You see, he started off with his giants, witches, he's using OVV strategy, and that's his speciality. So he dropped in the wall breakers to break the walls. I told him if the wall breakers are not enough, you can use rage on the wall breakers, but I think he did not do that. And just go in with the wizards and witches. And you can see he's killing them, the golem, wizards and witches. And oops, the castle troop is coming out now. And looks like the witches and wizards did very well, killing all the castle troops. Now he got more wall breakers and a bit more walls. So you can see this king is going to the side to finish off other buildings, and you can see all the witches and skeletons in the center. They're trying to come out of the walls. Well, they are doing a good job breaking the walls, getting through. And interesting thing, you see the golems are still alive. We use 3 golems and 2 of them are still alive. Still a lot of health. His queen together with the archers and wizards are clearing the sites. Well, it's good thing they stick together because they are helping the king to take the damage damages as well as hitting and destroying all the buildings. So very good strategy. So he proved that you do not need to worry about the castle troops, and he executed it very well. And pick this up again. This is another very important 3-star. And another war I'm going to show you is from me. Okay, I attack their number 4. And so I'm going to show you this. I use the Go VV pack strategy, my favorite. Try to know out the castle troops there with some hawks, but seem that his troops doesn't want to, all of the CC troops doesn't want to come out, so I decided I just continue attacking and releasing the witches to and wizards to take out his castle troops and drop the golems in. So trying to drop a few spells to heal up my golems and the other troop there, because he already got his expo shooting at me. And I got the king trying to help, but he is not going into the center, he's going sideways. So now I decide to drop wall breakers and P.E.K.K.A.s, queens and P.E.K.K.A.s. Hopefully they will go in. And now his CC troop is coming out, bombarding my troops. Oh no! And I got the rage just to try to kill them off. Now my P.E.K.K.A. is slashing into the base, and without any wall breakers, I decided to drop the jump spell to hope that they go to the center and destroy the castle. Destroy the town hall to get me the 2 stars at least. I can get 2 stars. P.E.K.K.A. is smashing everything. Mortars, X-bows. Oh, good. My golem jumped into the center too. Excellent. So they work together and they are smashing the walls. Notice that there's a wizard there trying to help out as well to do a lot of damage to the surrounding buildings. And see, my P.E.K.K.A. and golem is taking all the damages. And one P.E.K.K.A. is down, golem is going in. And you can see my queen is a lone ranger shooting at the other buildings alone. So there is the baby golem. He's out, and my P.E.K.K.A. is trying to finish up the buildings at the bottom. And notice that time is really running out. I hoped that my P.E.K.K.A. can walk a bit faster or do running, you know. And good thing he slashed that Tesla, and I got the last Tesla by my queen. Very nice 3-star from myself. So I want to dedicate this victory to all my clanmates. I promised them to post this on the YouTube. So very happy for my clan that we defeat this Chinese clan. Okay, see ya.